Hey everyone, what is happening? It's Wilson. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for all the great comments and all the great feedbacks. I received some great emails from everyone from the trading community, the Bitcoin community, as well as swing traders that are working full-time jobs. I'm super happy that you guys are making money trading stocks, and I made a couple good trades today, as well as closed out some swing trades. So I clocked in roughly around 3,800 today. Not too big of an amount, but hey, it is what it is. But anyways, I've been getting asked a lot from emails is what is the best cryptocurrency for day trading and swing trading? So I have been investing in cryptocurrencies, not a big portfolio size, but I've been doing it for roughly 2 years. And I currently also spend a couple hours a day trading cryptocurrencies. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, I'm rather more safe. I like to think of it as more of a swing trade rather than day trade. So I do day trade altcoins here and there. But for this specific video, I'm just going to go into a more of a swing trading strategy for more of the safer cryptocurrencies that will rise, and it will be more like swing trading a stock or owning a stock that's rather more stable. So let me dive right into it, and I'll show you some of the apps I use. And just for your information, I do own every single one of these that I will be mentioning in this video. So let's talk about the benefits of trading cryptocurrency. First of all, it's a very hot market. Bitcoin's been soaring up, it's been going up and down, but it's always going back up. It's going back up to its normal price, and it just keeps going higher and higher. It's 24/7 hours a day a marketplace. You guys can watch my other video on introduction on how to get started trading in cryptocurrencies. You can search it up in my channel, just under cryptocurrencies. There's no minimum fees. So as in, you don't need like $25,000 to get past the PDT rule or minimum investment to even start an account. You can buy it for like 10 bucks. Most of the big currencies can be traded through GDAX, which is part of Coinbase. So it's like their live trading platform. Think of it as E-Trade, like E-Trade Pro, where you can actually look at the live charts, analyze the past stacks, set stop loss orders. Very powerful thing, but they're very limited to the amount of cryptocurrencies that you can trade. They only have the major ones like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. The chart analyst and technical analyst is much easier to understand than trading stocks. So if you're more of a swing trader and you're more of a relaxed investor, partial investor, position trader, this might be perfect for you. At the same time, if you're looking for lower level, like lower cost cryptocurrencies, altcoins, you can buy into them and you'll be doing really well as well. It's a growing sector, and you can also participate in these things called ICO, which is very similar to IPOs with a lot of growth potentials, mainly from software companies and really big brands and stuff that's trying to take advantage of the Bitcoin space. So one of my all-time favorite that I've been owning for, I would say, almost a year is Ripple. Ripple is basically a global settlement network that offers instant, certain, and low-cost international payments. What I really love about Ripple is that they're low cost. I got in when it was around 25 cents, but right now it's around $2 because the market's performing really well. Ripple pretty much enables banks to settle these type of cross-border payments and without any type of transaction fees. So imagine, you don't have to pay transaction fees on credit cards anymore or bank-to-bank transfers. I love the business model. They're focused on partnerships with legit and big European banks. They've already partnered with more and more every single month, and they're just growing. They're growing their business development team. That's very strong from both business and a market perspective. And it's a relatively low cost to buy in right now. Like I said, I got in when it was like around 27 cents, and it's above $2 right now. So here's a chart of Ripple compared to the USD, and at that time it was $1.38. And as you can tell, there's a good amount of volume as well, and you can get some good profit loss. These are the type of cryptos that I like to trade, the stable ones, the ones that have a good business background, the ones that won't run away with my money after an ICO. The next one, I own this one for over a year already as well, Litecoin. It launched in 2011 basically from a really famous Google engineer that was previously working at a Bitcoin company. And what I love about them is that they're always hiring developers. That shows very strong amount of growth for these type of cryptos. Right now it's rather expensive. I got in at roughly $21. It's over 200 now, but it's still going to keep going up. Imagine if you had Bitcoin when it was 200 and now it's like over 15,000. So it's really good. They hire a lot of engineers. They're accepted by most of the big marketplaces and e-commerces, and they can be purchased easily on Coinbase. So all you need is Bitcoin. And here you go. Here's a chart. As of now, it's $255 per Litecoin. As I said, I got in when it was in the 20s. So very, very good. And this is one of the ones that I own. I will continue to hold, and I will continue to invest in this one in the future. Ethereum. This is the one that powers almost every one of those cryptocurrencies out there. You can think of it as like Ruby on Rails, which is a programming language that helps build applications in real world and websites. Ethereum pretty much allows companies to make any type of apps related to anything that's Bitcoin. So I owned this when it was roughly $70, and right now is over $700. There's a lot of money to be made in trading cryptocurrencies right now. And what I really love about this is that it powers most of the cryptocurrencies, most of the altcoins. So it's going to stick around and the value will just continue to go up. Probably not as quick and rapidly, but slow and steady growth like a swing trader. And here's the chart of it right now. As of now, it's 746. As I said, I got in a little bit lower than $100. And this is one that I don't buy a lot. I don't trade a lot, but I do hold a good portfolio size of it, and I've been super profitable from this. Monero. This is one of the less known ones out of the list, but it's probably one of the ones that's most respected and highly looked at by some of the even top financial firms. If you're watching CNBC and all these shows, a lot of financial experts, analysts, they're trading this one. It's basically an improvement of Bitcoin's core principles, but except with more privacy, so they put more security in it. It's priced rather high, but it's very stable growth, and I do own a little bit of it, not a big chunk of portfolio size. But here it is. Here's the chart for it. And as you can tell right now, it's roughly $364. Bitcoin Cash. This was like a freebie for me. If you own Bitcoin before the fork, you pretty much got free Bitcoin Cash. And now the price is like super high, and I just got literally like a free couple grand in my account for not doing anything, for just owning Bitcoin and holding it. So this one's for free, but you don't have to buy into this one. This one's just a freebie. So here are some exchanges you can use to buy cryptocurrency. Coinbase, of course, that's the main one where you would do your initial funding, you will wire money into it or use a credit card. You can withdraw from it, and this is where I do all my withdrawals as well as my deposits. You can use the more advanced live trading platform, GDAX, or you can use an exchange like Kraken or Polynex. I use Polynex, and you can buy any type of altcoins. The mobile app that I prefer, I tried over 100 of them. I tried Krypton, CoinStats. This is my all-time favorite. It's free. You can download it in the App Store, and they just give you really good live stats, live charts, and just allows me to check all my portfolio while I'm on the go. I can add stuff to my favorites. I can read the news. I can see the live charts. I can see transactions. It's excellent. And lastly, if you're using a web platform, I can't recommend CryptoWatch anymore. It's a web platform with live stats. I encourage you guys to type this website in your browser right now to take a look at it, and you see the tickers move literally immediately. You can also click on each individual one to get even more detailed stats in it. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and those are my recommendations for day trading and swing trading cryptocurrencies. You can day trade crypto without any problem. You can just buy those smaller coins, and they're similar to penny stocks. They're like 27 cents, 17 cents, 80 cents. And if you're more of a swing trader looking for more growth potential, look into the ones that I mentioned in this video, or even some of the upcoming ones. So they're really good for holding as well for now, in my opinion. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. You can always tweet to me at itswilson8 on Twitter, or just subscribe, and I'll be putting out more videos on swing trading. My next one up, we'll be talking about how to analyze certain patterns for breakout stocks. So I'm sure you guys are looking for that, especially for those day traders out there and swing traders. So looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one, and hope you guys enjoy everything.